Saturday morning. Time to sit back, relax, and enjoy a hot cup of coffee.
Oh, come on. Is that a lawnmower already? It's not even 8 a.m.
And here I was thinking I could actually finish this coffee while it's still hot. First, the yard demands attention. It's like the grass knows exactly when I'm taking a break. I'm out there cutting the grass, but I'm pretty sure the grass is cutting years off my life. Then the roof decides it wants its very own indoor swimming pool. Just what I needed. Great, waterfront property. Who knew my living room could be so tropical? Fix one fence board, and the whole fence files for retirement. It never stops. And gutters? They're just rooftop trash cans that nobody remembers ordering. Whoa, I wanted more excitement in retirement, but I definitely didn't mean this much. Then you're calling landscapers, roofers, and plumbers. Suddenly, your home is your boss. And let me tell you, this boss does not offer any vacation days. Trust me. You've spent decades taking care of your home. You've earned a break. Maybe it's finally time to choose a home that takes better care of you. I'm John McKay, your Sacramento Senior Transition Specialist. I'm here for you. I'll help you explore your options with a clear, zero-pressure plan for your future. Because retirement should include a whole lot more relaxing, don't you think? And a lot less of that yard work. Ready for your next chapter? Let's talk.